Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
So the total amount already paid after OTS as on 5th March 2021 is rupees 14 crores 46 lakhs 80,863.77 paise, and the balance dues to be paid up to 31st March 2021, sir, is rupees 31 crores 18 lakhs 89,980.31 paise.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Yes. May I know from the Honorable Minister, sir, whether the balance dues that are reported in the start question 101B, whether the balance dues reported are after the availing of the OTS or the adjustment after the OTS, sir?
So these are the dues, sir, which are of those consumers who have the pending dues, sir, that have to be paid by the unit, sir.
So the reply is not clear whether it is after the adjustment of OTS or not. So if that reply can come in the written form, sir. So, second question, sir. How much is the total amount, sir, that has been waived for the industrial units, sir, after they have availed the OTS?
So, the scheme is for 30% waiver, sir, on the total dues, or complete 100% waiver of the delayed payment charges, sir, whichever is higher, sir. So, it depends on consumer to consumer, sir.
Sir, I wanted the amount actually, sir.
So the amount of?
The amount waived after the availing of the OTS.
So that breakup I do not have, sir, but I will place it on the table of the House, sir.
Sir. So, whether there are any industrial units that did not avail the OTS, sir?
Yes, sir, there are a few OTS industrial units that have yet to avail, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, President.
Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 17th of March, when the same type of question came, the outstanding dues by the industrial units as on 31st December 2020 is coming around 130 crores. But in today's start question 101, the total amount paid is 14.46 crores and balance dues to be paid is 31.18 crores. The total of which will be only 46 crores. So I don't understand. I'm just confused. On the 17th of March, the reply was 130 crores, but now it is total coming up to 46 crores only. So I want to get some clarification from the Honourable Minister.
Sir, which start question is he referring to, sir? If you can just be more specific as to which start question, the reply to which was...
For the 17th, it is start question 91.
Start question 91. Sir, I'll double check on that, sir, and I'll inform the honourable members.
No, it is not becoming tally, Mr. Speaker, sir. IST, it was mentioned about 64 crores. The industry high tension itself, and so on and so forth. The total, like industries high tension 65.25 crores, industries extra high tension 44.23 crores, then ferroalloys high tension 15.61, ferroalloys high tension 4.44 crore likewise. So total is coming 130 crores. But in today's reply, it is coming total of 46 crores only.
Yes, sir. I mean, I'll have to go back to the figures, sir. For that, sir, I'll require notice, sir.
Sir, my second supplementary is this one-time settlement scheme has been conceptualized by aiming at realizing the dues. As and when this company is facing lots of financial crisis. So, and the validity of the OTS scheme is up to 31st March 2021. So, why these industry units are not paying timely? And there has been some special rate also in the BIA, in the Barnyard Industrial Association sector. So, I just want to get the assurance from the Honorable Minister. If these industries don't pay their dues, then their connection will be disconnected after the expiry of the validity period, that is in the first week of April 2021.
So the order of the OTS clearly states, sir, that that after the validity, sir, the MECL will be starting rigorous disconnection, sir. So the order very, very clearly states that the concerned divisions, after expiry of the validity of the scheme, shall start rigorous disconnection drive under Section 56 of the Electricity Act 2003, sir.
Will that be adhered to?
Sir, as I said, the order is it is clearly mentioned in the order, sir. I mean, of course, sir, it goes without saying, sir.
One more supplementary, Mr. Speaker, sir. There has been reports that the big industries which are prevailing in the state of Meghalaya, like JD Cements Limited, is having the outstanding dues of 24 crores. And Ferro Alloys in Barnyard having outstanding due of 20 crores. So the MECL should have been aiming at realizing these industries who are also making profit and not paying the dues. So why it is being delayed, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister.
Sir, in terms of the industries availing the OTS, sir, many of the industries have come forward to avail this one-time settlement scheme, sir. So if there is any specific case that he is referring to, so I'll have the matter looked into why certain industries are not coming forward, sir. But this is a great opportunity for not just industries, but for everyone who has big outstanding dues, sir. To have 30% waiver is a big relief for any consumer, sir, be it industries or be it domestic, sir. So again, sir, through you and I would like to take this opportunity to appeal and to try to reach out to our consumers to avail of this scheme, sir, because after 31st of March there will be no further extension of the one-time settlement, and they should avail this scheme as much as possible, because then after that there will be disconnections that will start, sir.
No, my question is, Mr. Speaker, sir, we can see that day also in the preceding days also, the honourable member from Umroi was mentioning about one specific consumer who has been disconnected from his connection, Mr. T. Makri, I can still remember. So small domestic consumers, when their power connection is being disconnected. But on the other hand, when the big industries who are having outstanding dues to be paid up to the tune of 24 crores, 20 crores, why these connections are not being disconnected? That is very glaring. That is why only I am just trying to know from the government.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think honourable member may not be having all the information available with him, but sir, the industries are being disconnected, sir. I don't know where that is coming from, and that is why most of these industries have come forward, and now they are availing of this one-time settlement, sir.
No, sir. My point is, I am not generalizing. Lots of industries means what? It's not being specified. I am specifically mentioning JDU Cements Limited and Ferroalloys in Barnihal.
Sir, their connection, as far as my knowledge goes, sir, they were disconnected, sir. So I think...
Sir, I want definite replies, Mr. Speaker, sir. Not with ambiguity.
As I said, sir, as far as my knowledge goes, sir, the connection of these industries was disconnected, sir.
No, as far as my knowledge means what? That is, ambiguity is there. So I want definite reply on the floor of the House, Mr. Speaker, sir.
As I said, sir, as far as my knowledge goes, sir, there is no ambiguity in this. I don't know
What does it mean by saying, as far as
by what
my knowledge
definition
goes?
he is saying that there is ambiguity in this matter. As far as my knowledge goes, it was disconnected, sir.